we're just gonna break right into it. It's not, as you can see, not very big. But that's okay, it doesn't need to be. Everything I got was on the smaller side anyway, so I'm not surprised. Jeez, FedEx. What do you make this glue out of? Jesus. Alright. We got in there. That took a lot. Here we go. This is everything. This is from Yesstyle, if I have not said this, I don't think. So, I feel like Yesstyle always does an amazing job at packaging their stuff. You can get so much stuff and somehow they will find a way to ship it in the smallest box like that I've ever seen. Like, they must be amazing at the game catches. I just ordered things either I typically order from them because I enjoy using them, and like my normals, for example. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see much because of this light glare. Here we go. And I got 2 of these. They're eye creams, and they're my favorite. It's what I get all the time now. I haven't had it for a while, so I haven't been able to use it. But I get super bad dark circles around my eyes, and I feel like nothing works. Get rid of them. But this is the one thing that I feel like does tame it down a bit. Doesn't make them go away, but whenever I use this, I feel like it's significantly better. It's by Milky Dress, and it's just called a Wrinkle and Whitening Eye Cream. There's not much to it. There's a bottle here. I'll open one up so we can even see the inside. It's not huge, but it is an eye cream, so like, you know, and you get the little safety seal thing right here. I got 2 because I just go through it. I use so much, and with Yesstyle, I usually try to make it like a more expensive order because then you get free shipping and whatnot. So I don't put orders in a lot, but when I do, they're significant usually. I also haven't addressed this. Excuse the face. It's been a long day. It's late at night now. I had work. There's nothing left. There's no makeup on my face anymore. So at this point, it's not doing great. And as you can tell, it's dark in the back too. I just got the one light going. The light that typically would be here, the bulb is out, and it's like 24-foot ceilings. I need to call maintenance to come have them change the light bulb, which is sad. But yeah, next item that we got in this this haul, I think I spent $100 or around, maybe just under $100 on this. I've never purchased this one before, and of course they put a label directly over the top, so I can't even show you what it looks like. Can I peel this off easily? Yes, I can. All right. So it is called another dark circle thing because it's an issue for me. It's by Skin Food, the brand, and it's Salmon Dark Circle Concealer Cream. I don't know. I'm hoping you guys will be able to see some of this packaging with this light being obnoxiously bright and it's so dark behind me. But yeah, I just peeled off some of the packaging, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's just kind of, that's what the pot looks like. Not bad. I don't know why I felt the urge to smell it, but I did. It smells like nothing, if anyone was curious. I'm excited to try this out. I have work tomorrow morning, so I'm sure I'll be trying it tomorrow morning. I'm just kind of, okay, it's very creamy. I put it on, you won't be able to see any of this. I put it on my finger, and now it's on my hand. And yeah, you really can't see anything. The good thing is, it matches my skin tone, so that's great. It also blends in just really nicely, so I like the fact that it's a creamy one. Not a huge fan, especially because it's wintertime, not a huge fan of powdered stuff right now because my skin is just so dry. Never had this one before either. It's by The Ordinary. It's something I've been seeing be popular lately, so I figured why not give it a shot. It's all right, I'm gonna botch the name on this, my bad. I don't even want to try. Argaline, something like that. Solution 10%. A ton of people. This is it right here. This light is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be tough with this light. Sorry, guys. So many people have been talking about this and how they're like, this is the liquid Botox, the topical Botox, kind of like. So if you have any areas like around your eyes, like over here, or your forehead, a lot of people are saying the forehead, where they're just very, you know, facial expression-y and they get the lines, this helps kind of make it so that area doesn't move as much, and it helps with the wrinkles. And I don't know, I was curious. I just kind of wanted to give it a shot. So I'll try it out for a little while, and then maybe if I do another makeup video or something sometime, I can kind of give you an update during it or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Here's another one. I have not gotten this. I think most of this is stuff I probably have not gotten before. It's a skin foundation primer, so I don't know if I'm going to be saying the name of this right, but I think it's supposed to be UNNY? Uni? I don't know if that's the brand name. Oh, I'm Uni. I guess that's the name. I'm Uni. I don't typically do too much for a primer when I put foundation on, but I don't know why. I figured I'd give this one a shot. Oh, I like the packaging. It's very, like, sleek. It's a pump one. Of course, we're going to do a whole bunch of pumps before we get any out for the first try. Hey, we got there. All right, so it is tinted. It is not, like, just a clear one. Let's see. Very liquidy. Honestly, this is almost like a BB cream primer. BB cream primer. There we go. Ooh, it smells nice too. It smells just like not super strong and just like a clean scent. It's nice. Honestly, I feel like I might end up putting this on rather often as just a foundation primer. Like no foundation on top. This will be the primer and foundation. Almost positive that's going to be what that is used for me. I don't typically go for heavy foundations, so yeah. I'm excited about this one. This was on a whim. I purchased this on a whim. It was fairly cheap, I think. It was probably the cheapest item I purchased on here. It is a jelly plumping water tint. And I just want to get this open. This is what I have to open it. Not really sure why I have this here, but I do. And I don't know if it's going to work. We shall see if that worked. I'll just rip the box if not. Yeah, we're going to rip the box. All right. Yeah, that's all it says. It's jelly plumping water tint. It doesn't even have a brand name. Oh, McQueen. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Looks kind of like a medicine bottle. My lips are super dry, but I want to try it now. But because of this, I think I'm just going to put it on my hand. Because I won't give it justice. I've been super curious about this. I can't talk and do that at the same time, apparently. That's what it looks like. I want to see if it'll dry down. It very much just looks like blood red. It looks brighter in the camera. I think the light is making it look brighter. But in person, it's a little bit darker. I'm curious, though, if it'll dry down and how much... It says tint, so usually that means it's like a staining. Lip gloss, lipstick, whatever this is. I want to see how... well the stain is, so we're gonna leave it there. Hope I don't get it on my shirt or anything, and we'll see by the end of this if it's dried down at that point. It better be, because that would take forever. And if it's really well staining. I can already tell it's starting to dry down. It's just like a little wet in the spots that kind of or thicker. So it should do well. All right, next. This is just a base cleanser, nothing crazy. I have purchased this one before. It's been a really long time since I got this. But I remember really liking it, and I feel like I should come back to it. It's Egg White Perfect Pore Cleansing Foam. It foams up nicely. It comes out as like a cream, and you just kind of rub it between your fingers, and it foams up really well. You only need a little bit at a time, so it lasts a long time. And it's by Skin Food again. That was Lucy. I don't know why that was so loud when she got off the couch. But yeah, this is definitely a favorite of mine. A returning favorite since it's been so long since I've had it. But I'm excited about that. I have not gotten this one before. Once again, the name, not going to get it right. IUNIK. The first letter might not be an I, it might also be a J, but it looks like an I to me. Does it have in here? Yeah, it's an I on that end too, on this label. So we're going to say that's how you spell it. I'm not even going to try saying it. You guys can figure that out on your own. But it is calming gel cream. So my skin over the past, I want to say year or so, has been acting up and become a hell of a lot more sensitive than it ever used to be. You'll probably see, like right here, I think you can see. Earlier, you probably saw a little bit right there. All I have to do is like barely touch my skin, like hardly scratch it, and it will flame up, get real red, even sometimes bubble up a little bit for no reason other than the fact that I randomly touched it. Don't know why it started doing this, but this is what it does now. It goes away. It comes and goes very quickly. Lucy, let's not scratch the couch. Thank you. Okay. And I'm hoping this calming gel cream somehow helps it. Like, makes my skin just like chill out. I don't know if it will. But that was the hopes for purchasing that. We shall see. All right. This is definitely a returning one. Couldn't tell you how many I've already gone through of these. Probably 3 or 4. Very similar to the eye cream. These two are staples in my stash of face products. But it is by Mizan. Okay, I'm gonna say that wrong too. We're gonna ignore that. But it's a multifunctioning formula, snail repairing foam cream. Not cream, cleanser. Another cleanser. But this one, you need the smallest of amounts. And it goes a long way. You just lather it up in your hand, and it goes a really, really long way. And it is my absolute favorite. I've been out of this one for a little while too, so I haven't been able to use it, but I see a significant difference. Guys. My cats are attacking each other, sorry. But I see a significant difference in my skin texture and my pores and everything when I use this. It's honestly truly amazing. Highly, like, you guys should check it out. And it's really affordable. This one's like super affordable. I think it was under $10 for that bottle. It doesn't look big, but it goes a long way. Probably gonna regret telling people this because then I won't be able to get my hands on it again, but that's fine. And what did I get? This one. Oh. Guys. Bernie. Okay. All right. This is the last item that we have in here. And after that, it's just the shipping paperwork. This is by CosRx. I think we're going to call it that. CosRx sounds right. It's a 2-in-1 poreless power liquid. I just read it, like, you know, the little description part of the screen online on the site. And they just made it sound really good, so I wanted to try it. I have had stuff from this brand before, and I do love this brand, so I'm hoping this one does well. It says that right here, it says, this cooling liquid reduces appearance of pores and evens out skin texture, creating clear, glowing skin. Who doesn't want that? So that was definitely the reasoning behind this purchase. I hope it's nice. I'm just going to open it because I want to see the bottle. Sometimes I like to see the bottle. Jeez, they really package it well. I don't know why. I always like their bottles because they're always like you can see the product. And it's just kind of a clean look. I always love that. So, I have a fairly... a lot of people have bigger face regimens, morning and night or whatever. And I would say I have a good size one. It's not huge, but it's a good size one. I try to do what I'm supposed to do. Like they say, like certain things should come before others. I don't know what's supposed to go before what, but I just like put on what seems right. Don't know where this is going to go in that mix, but we're going to figure that out, so that should be fun. That was the haul. It was around a little under $100, I think, for this. That's including shipping. Oh, I didn't pay for shipping, including tax. So yeah, I feel like that was pretty good. Not bad at all, since it's all things I know I will 100% use. Look at, that's the kitty. Which one are you? Oh, that's Bernie. He is hyper, so his eyes are like glowing like crazy. And it's dark, so there's that too. What are you doing, little boy? You a little psycho. Yeah, okay. But yeah, let's check out how this little jelly lip stain tint thing is. So it looks like it's fully dried down. So let's do a little swipe. Oh. That did not budge at all, first off, on my hand. And on my finger, it is ever so slightly turned over to that. But, like, let me see. Let me use another finger. Yeah, ever so slightly. But I was, like, rubbing pretty hard. And it has not budged on there. So it'll transfer the slightest amount. Guys. Okay, guys. So we have Bernie in the show. They were fighting, so we had to break up the fight. Huh, buddy? Being a bad boy? Yeah, he's upset. He's in trouble. Okay. So, hey, he's in timeout. Apparently not. We're gonna call it. This is everything we got. Hoping you enjoyed, and I feel like you guys should check out Yesstyle. They have an app. So just check out the app. Yeah, they have some good stuff. I would definitely highly recommend. They have clothing and stuff too, but I usually stick with the skincare and the makeup. But some of the clothing's pretty good. Just size up if you're in America. Definitely size up. This was a good haul. I hope you guys think it was also a decent haul. But yeah, see you guys next time.